Welcome to this short video on the Join Alignments command, which is part of the Kobi Toolkit for Civil 3D. The Join Alignments command will join two or more alignments together and also extend the profile if you so choose. Now, these alignments do not need to be touching to be joined. So to demonstrate this, I have two alignments in here. This alignment's going to this point, and then the next alignment's going in this direction. So these two are actually touching. If I go over to my profiles, I've got two profiles here. And I drew a line at the end of the main profile because I wanted to show where that one originally stopped. So to demonstrate this command, we're going to come up here to the Kobi Toolkit for Civil 3D ribbon. We're going to come over to the Alignments panel, and we're going to select Join Alignments. At the command line, it says select your first alignment. So this is my first alignment here. Then it says select the alignments to join. So I'm going to select this one as my next alignment. Now I could start picking other alignments. I don't want to. I'm going to press enter. Then it asks me, do you want to extend the profile or join the profiles? I'll say yes. So I'm going to press enter. And there you can automatically see that my profile was extended. Now we don't get rid of the original alignment. All we're doing is taking that alignment, we're joining it to the main one and extending it. And so the original one is still there. This concludes this short video on the Join Alignments command. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.